All right, what's happening, everybody? I just wanted to quickly share with you guys how can you become an affiliate with ILCA and be able to earn some extra income just from sharing crypto education. So I'm going to share screen and show you a simple process for you to do to make this happen. Make sure I'm on the right page there. And there we go. Share screen. Okay, so first, go to ilcaaffiliates.com. That is ilcaaffiliates.com. No, this is not MLM. This is not multi-tiered. It's only a one direct sale commission. So Ivy League Crypto Academy entrepreneurs, go to ilcaaffiliates.com, fill out the information. You can sign it. You definitely want to read everything that's here. We even have our affiliate agreement that you can click on and look at and make sure that you read ILCA affiliate agreement. All the information here to be updated on how this works. This is only a direct sales affiliate program. And right now, what are we selling? Well, right now I have a promo for the entire month of June where I am giving away all 10 of my crypto courses, including 150 videos that you can stop, pause, rewind from Bitcoin 101 all the way to artificial intelligence. Watch it at your own time. Go to ivyleaguecrypto.info, 80% off with coupon code EDU20. Once you have made this purchase, you will get access to the back office dashboard with all of the crypto courses. And this is what it looks like. Let's say you want to go to Bitcoin 101. You open it up, and here's the courses for Bitcoin 101, from the intro to an introduction to Bitcoin cryptocurrency. What is the blockchain? By the way, I'm also in the process of updating all of these videos to be more up to date with today's term, especially since we've gone through a new Bitcoin halving event. So you're going to get access to all of these courses on your dashboard. But if you sell these courses as an affiliate, I will pay you $100 per sell. So you will have a back office that's going to track all of your information here. So again, that's just $100 per sell. Go to ilcaaffiliates.com and register if you want to get these courses at a discount. ivyleaguecrypto.info, 80% off while it lasts. All right, that was it. I will see you guys on our next presentation. Brandon Ivey out. Bye-bye.